Okay, this one requires a little bit more work because it's r squared. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take the square root of both sides, so I'm actually solve for r. So when we do that, we end up with a plus or minus the square root of 4 cosine 2 theta, which basically is plus or minus the square root of 4 times the square root of cosine 2 theta. So that's plus or minus 2 times the square root of the cosine of 2 theta. So this is what I'm going to do when I enter these values into my calculator. I'm going to multiply theta by 2, and then I'm going to take the cosine, then square root, and then multiply it by 2, and then I'm going to get two answers. So this is what we get. We get plus or minus 2 for 0, plus or minus 1.41 for pi over 6. We get pi over 3 is undefined. Oh, fantastic. Pi over 2 also undefined. Okay, and then the other two, I can try to find those. So the cosine of 2. Okay, so after I've done this and then I've used this to find my r values, you find a lot of them are undefined. That's basically because a lemniscate is a figure 8, so it's either going to go figure 8 like this, or diagonally, or straight up and down. So with this one, we'll see what we get. Where are our points? Well, if the radius is 2, the theta is 0. If the radius is negative 2, theta is 0. So that would put us over here. At pi over 6, we have two values. We have 1.4 and then negative 1.4. And then 5 pi over 6, we have positive 1.4 and negative 1.4. And then at pi, we have 2 and negative 2, which gets us there again. So you can kind of see the propeller already if you just kind of see that. So it looks like we've got this side and that's our figure 8.